Alrighty, this is for Midwest Classics there, kind of a shop we do some work for. FE motor, give you a description of this combination. It's got the Edelbrock cylinder heads on it. It's a solid, this is a solid roller, have that custom ground. Got J&E pistons in it, Eagle rotating assembly. It's got EFI, it's a Holley Sniper, so it went good there. Go in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down at 2900, it's 500 2 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peak torque 509, good flat there, bunch of 500s. And upstairs there, looks like at 461. We rated it at 470. Took a little camshaft out of it. Customer wanted it a little bit better, a little bit more vacuum, so makes good torque. Everything's good. We'll get her off there, put her in a crate. Have a great day.